In this video, I'll show you how to quickly pair your MoveMic to the MoveMic receiver and then connect it to a camera. So the first thing I've done is turned on my MoveMic receiver and put it into the cold shoe mount of my camera. Next, I'm going to take my MoveMic out of the charge case, push and hold the button on the side until the lights flash blue and red for about 6 seconds, letting me know it's in pairing mode. Then I'm going to tap Connect New Mic and then push it again on my MoveMic receiver, and you'll see it's connected. So the next thing I need to do is plug in the provided 3.5mm cable from the output of my MoveMic receiver to the mic input on my camera. And from here, I can adjust my gain settings, and I'm ready to go. So that's how I can easily pair my MoveMic to the MoveMic receiver and then connect it to a camera. Thanks for watching.